The government of India had brought in a constitutional amendment bill reserving Lok Sabha as well as assembly seats for women. And that bill was defeated in the Lok Sabha by the DMK and its allies Congress. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, even before the bill was introduced, had burnt a copy of the bill wearing a black shirt in Tamil Nadu. A Chief Minister burning a copy of a bill is unheard of, unprecedented. It is a crime. It is a shame on the people of Tamil Nadu that a Chief Minister burning a copy of a bill reserving seats for women. You can have your political differences, but how can you burn a bill, and that to a Chief Minister holding a constitutional post? And not only that, the DMK and his allies have defeated the bill in the Lok Sabha, and then the Chief Minister burst crackers rejoicing that. I don't know what sort of a mindset he's got, defeating a women's reservation bill. So, Chief Minister Stalin doesn't want women to progress. He doesn't want women to study. He doesn't want women to go to work. He doesn't want women to be employed. He doesn't want women to be empowered. He doesn't want women to become MLAs. He doesn't want women to become MPs other than his sister. It is shameful. And bursting crackers, what is it? See, the DMK, what they have done is, it is like a female feticide. They have killed a girl child in the womb. It is equal to that. The women in Tamil Nadu and all across the country are angry with the Congress as well as in Tamil Nadu with the DMK. And they're going to, this is going to reflect in the assembly elections in Tamil Nadu. Definitely it's going to reflect. What is this bill? This bill is increasing the Lok Sabha and the assembly seats in Tamil Nadu as well as other states proportionally. And this is what DMK wanted. Mr. Stalin, he said that Prime Minister should give an assurance in the Lok Sabha, saying that all over the country, all the states, there should be a proportionate increase. And that is what assurance was given by Prime Minister. He said that Tamil Nadu 50% increase in seats, Andhra Pradesh 50%, in North, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, every state in the country, 28 states, all 28 states, 50% increase in seats, Assembly and Lok Sabha. So where is your problem? So, and today, Tamil Nadu has got 39 seats. If it has increased, it would have gone to 59 seats. And today in 39 seats, we have only 5 women representing the Lok Sabha in Tamil Nadu. If it increases to 59 seats, there will be 20 women and 117 MLAs, women MLAs. And this is empowerment of women. A Chief Minister going against empowerment of women is unheard of. So this is definitely going to reflect in the coming assembly in Tamil Nadu. And